Zika virus prevention a priority on the island. Tobagonians have a role in controlling spread of mosquito-borne viruses, and workshop highlights the importance of World Wetlands Day.
Info
Update,
bringing you the latest
news, views, and reviews,
along with responses,
comments, and events
affecting you.
brought to you by the Information Division of the Tobago House of Assembly.
The Tobago Emergency Management Team has heightened its prevention measures for both the H1N1 or swine flu and Zika viruses for Carnival 2016. Omadara Mills has more.
The Secretary of Health and Social Services, Mrs. Claudia Groom-Duke, says all Tobagonians have a role to play in preventing the spread of mosquito-borne diseases, especially with the threat of the Zika virus in the region.
And as such, we see the mosquito-borne virus as a serious threat to Trinidad and Tobago. And even if the disease is not yet presented in Trinidad and Tobago, we must all work together to prevent it from coming to Tobago.
Mrs. Groom-Duke also noted that the World Health Organization, WHO, has already declared the Zika virus outbreak an international health emergency. It's linked to serious health complications in newborns and can possibly be sexually transmitted.
We know that the Aedes aegypti also is responsible for the spread of dengue, chikungunya, and yellow fever. And therefore, we have taken this situation very, very seriously and have worked collaboratively and created an epidemiological surveillance plan.
There's no vaccine available to treat the Zika virus. The Secretary is urging the public to partner with the THA by cleaning up areas where mosquitoes can breed. I'm Omadara Mills for Info Update.
Health authorities have been working to prevent the Zika virus from entering the island. Its focus is on removing opportunities for mosquitoes to breed. Kunda Freitas has the details.
Public Health Inspector 4 of the Division of Health and Social Services, Ms. Joycelyn Benjamin, said the department has a program to help control the mosquito population. But she is reminding the public that it also has a role in this fight.
We need to remind householders and members of the community that the mosquito lives in and around our premises. So we have a responsibility to take care of our premises and eliminate the breeding sites.
Ms. Benjamin said clean, clear, stagnant water is the mosquito's preferred habitat. She advises getting rid of such receptacles in and around your home. I'm Kunda Freitas for Info Update.
On Tuesday, February 2nd, Tobago celebrated World Wetlands Day for the first time. Wildlife biologist Angela Ramsey of the Division of Agriculture, Marine Affairs, Marketing and the Environment said a World Wetlands Day workshop was hosted to bring public awareness about sustainable livelihoods through our natural resources.
We want to empower our communities so that we can be able to, co-manage our wetlands, to get a more efficient and effective impact in terms of management and so on, right? And we want to also highlight, some of the livelihoods that we have, our fisher folk, our tour guides and so on.
Ms. Ramsey said schools will also be introduced to this field.
We have involved the students, as I said, we started with our programs from the preschool age all the way up to tertiary level.
This, she says, will ensure Tobagonians develop a greater understanding and appreciation of the island's wetlands. That's it from all of us at the Department of Information. I'm Josanne Brassey, and you've been listening to Info Updates.
The Tobago Emergency Management Agency wishes to advise the public that the Gardenside Street car park will be closed from midnight on Friday, February 5th. This is to facilitate emergency and security services for Tobago Carnival 2016. The car park will reopen on Wednesday, February 10th at 6 a.m. TEMA apologizes for any inconvenience caused.
The First Citizens Car Park downtown Scarborough will be closed from 6 p.m. on Friday, February 5th and all day on Saturday, February 6th, 2016 to facilitate carnival celebrations. Surrounding sidewalks and walkways will be closed to the public. The public, including vendors, are asked to remove all property, including vehicles, trailers, and tents, to allow unrestricted use of the car park.